Solar roofing siding. Just finished up a project up here at this home. Just did a new roof, siding and solar. Government incentives are going to pay for a large portion of this project. They're going to help pay off the solar system and eliminate the electric bill. You can see we went with the matte black frameless Q-cell panels. Went with N-phase microinverters, monitoring system, so the client can see what their system is producing, make sure everything's functioning. And there's going to be a 26% federal tax credit